Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. There are not too many price news, therefore I will keep it short here. We are still in this triangle. We still have the chance to go down lower in a wave 2 here. So overall, since this strong decline from the 9th of November, there is now a chance for a continuation of the overall bullish case, which is still the primary scenario. Which means that the move that occurred from the 9th of November to the upside can be counted as a wave 1, and we are now in a wave 2 to the downside and would afterwards move up in a wave 3. The wave 2, my primary expectation, has not bottomed yet. It could have, but to really get evidence that wave 2 has bottomed, I want to see a break above the 1290 level, above this red resistance zone, which is so dominant here on the chart. Okay, so until that is the case, until we really get above that level, I will predominantly consider that view it that way, that wave 2 hasn't bottomed yet. I explained that in the previous video. This is all part of the bullish case, even if we come down short term a little bit lower. So at the moment my view is that this wave 2 consists of a W, X, Y pattern, and that the Y wave obviously consists of ABC, that's what they do, right? Which is then here A, B, C, and we could very well be in this B wave at the moment, and I want to give you a target for the B wave as well. We get that by taking the retracements of the wave A, and you can see that a key target would actually be the 50% fib retracement, which is at 1237. That would be an ideal target. I mean, a wave B already can stop at the 38.2% fib level, 1225 already reached, and that's exactly the resistance where we are now. If it goes higher, the next stop would be 1237, and then I would primarily expect it to come down in a C wave, and it would be important to hold the 1130 level then of the wave C. So wave C would ideally hold 1130, and then we can finish wave 2 off and move up. Is a breakout, a direct breakout to the upside, possible as well? Yes, but again, I would like to see evidence that we move above 1290. Until then, I will probably consider the wave C still to come. So yeah, larger triangle pattern. What would be the bearish outcome? Well, we need to differentiate between if we don't hold the 1130 area and we break to the downside, then we will most likely have a chance to find support at 1075. As long as that's the case, we can still wait for a wave 3 to the upside and a bullish outcome, but then we will have a very deep wave 2 retracement, but it wouldn't be invalidated. It will really only get invalidated below 1075. Even below 1075, I could just move this larger wave 2 over and consider still a new beginning of a wave 3. So that all should tell you that a bullish outcome is still quite likely. And the reason is because we just have so many support levels to work through. And there is just such a distance between the current price action and the June low. I mean, the June low was at $880. Whereas Bitcoin just needs to drop a little bit and it suddenly is already making a new low, okay? Okay, so you should now know the bullish case and the bearish case. No real change to previous outcomes. And one more thing maybe to mention, in the real bearish scenario, which is the drop below $1,000, if that level doesn't hold, then we're probably going to lose the June low and we'll see the 650 level. And just to give you an indication of the overall wave count, we would then have here in some way, I mean, again, there's multiple possibilities here and I keep a close eye on several of them, but in one interpretation, obviously we would say this here was a wave 1, here a wave 2, down in a 3. This here is a wave 4 triangle, and we come down in a 5, and then it depends on how long is the wave 5. Yeah, so we don't really know yet which scenario is playing out. Therefore, these key levels, very important, below 1130, this blue count will already get, well, at least some attention. But until we break below 1075, I wouldn't really focus on it too much. But it's possible, because the sideways range here in a triangle could just be a fourth wave which breaks to the downside. But the triangle can also have a bullish component. So that's why triangles are patterns of indecision, really. Yeah, we don't really know until we have a clear signal. And yeah, in this sort of wave 4 triangle, we would say this was a wave A, B, C, D, E, and would break out to the downside in the next step. So you should now know all these key support and resistance areas, all the key Fibonacci levels, and from which pivot point or decision level or important level, yeah, the bullish and bearish scenarios get more likely. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.